As we are all celebrating Wode Maya's 1 million achievement, I thought it wise to make this video to let you know how Wode Maya has inspired me with one of his videos to start this side business here in Ghana to make some money. These are monies you can practically pick on the street for free, meaning you can start this whole business with no money. So guys, this is a video that caught my attention on Wode Maya's channel to take this step. So today I want to introduce you to 3 practical businesses I started here in Ghana with no money or less money. Make sure you watch this video to the end so that you don't miss any of the information I have for you. I'm going to share my experience with you, how I started this business with no money from scratch, and the step-by-step approach I used to start this business, and then where I have gotten to in this business. So if you are interested to be a business owner or starting a side hustle or starting your own business here in Ghana, but you have no money or you have little amount of money, then make sure you watch this video to the end because you will like this video. So let's get started. So the first on the list is paper recycling. That is from white papers to brown paper to empty boxes like this. Okay, and I believe you are wondering what this papers are used for. Most of these papers are reused to make books, tissue papers, the one you see in cars, paper towels, toilet papers, and so many other things. And then the boxes are also reused to make boxes again, and toilet papers as well. So let's move to the next business idea, and after that I'm going to explain how you can be able to start this whole business with zero money or with no money. I will explain how I started this business with no money. Okay, so let's move to the next one. And the next business idea I have for you is plastic recycling. Okay, from these plastic bottles to this type of plastics and the rubbers. There are so many categories, so you look at the aspect that you can be able to do and do it well. Okay, with the rubbers we have different types. We have this type of rubbers, the white one, the hard ones like this type, all mixed together. Okay, and there are so many recycling companies here in Ghana who are looking for distributors, people who can distribute these items for them to reuse it to make things that we normally use every day. And now I believe you are also thinking or you're wondering what these rubbers and these plastics are used for. Most of these plastics are used for the plastic chair we sit on every day, the mop bucket, the plastic bowls we use every day, and even the hair we wear are all made out of these plastics. We recycle them and make something new out of all these things. So the next on the list is sacks. Okay, buying of sacks or going to sack business. And these sacks are also reused to make sacks, the jute bags, and so many other things. Now let me explain how you can start this business with no money. Initially when I started, I informed my family, my mom and my sisters and my friends about it. You can also inform the people in your neighborhood about your intention. This is the reason why you need to inform them about what you want to do, because you are starting this business with no money. Okay, so you will need their help. So you have to tell them the exact help you need from them for them to provide you with their unused items. With the empty bottles like this, there are some homes that use bottled water. So you just let them know that instead of them putting it in the dustbin or in the trash, they should put it together for you to come for it. And after you get enough, you can go and then sell it to the recycling company. And with the plastics like this, there are so many family members of yours who have shops, okay, and they can provide you with all these plastics. Normally when you buy bottled water, you have this rubbers wrapped around it. And also when you go to shopping, you buy these bags. When you bring it home, don't throw it away. Instead of you throwing it away, just put them together. Okay, And then we also have this rubbers around the drinks you normally take every day. Connect with the people in your neighborhood who have shops. Tell them that you will be needing their waste. Instead of them throwing it away, they should give it to you to support you or to support the business you want to start. And you can do this for some time. After some time, you can be able to get enough and send it to the recycling center. That was how I started mine. My mom started putting the bottles together for me and the rubbers together for me. And the next one is the box 6. With the empty boxes, you also need to connect with the people in your neighborhood, especially those who have shops that can provide you with the plastics or the rubbers. They can also provide you with the boxes as well, because most of them sell biscuits and so many other things that normally comes in boxes. So normally when they empty the boxes, the next thing they do is to burn it or send it to the dustbin or send it to the refuse dump. So tell them you want to reduce their waste for them. So instead of them taking it to the dustbin or taking it to the refuse dump, they should give it to you to support what you are doing. Okay, some of them will give it to you at a cost, others will give it to you for free. People that can provide you the boxes, the plastics or the rubbers are also capable of providing you with sacks. Some of them sell rice, diapers, washing powders. Okay, and whenever they buy it, they buy it in bulk. It comes with sack, so they remove the sack and then they burn it or throw it away. So let them know that you'll be needing their boxes, you'll be needing their rubbers, you also be needing their sacks, so to reduce their waste for them. And if they also want you to pay something small as a token, you also do it, but it doesn't cost much. Most people give it out for free. Initially I got some for free, but I also paid for some. Now this is going to be your initial capital for this business. You get to a point where you will be needing to buy it in a large quantity, and you know everybody loves money. They will not give it to you for free. So when you get to that point, the money you accumulate from the beginning, you invest it into the business again to grow. You invest it into the business again to grow in the business or to grow. So this is how you can start this business with no money. Okay, so I hope I've provided you with enough value. Let me know what you're up to in the comment section. Your comment is really important for me to know what to do or the kind of content I should provide for you. You can also subscribe to my channel to support me. I'm going to see you in my next video very soon. Bye.